General Atomics Aeronautical Systems Incorporated is proud to announce its MQ-25 Stingray offering to the U.S. Navy in collaboration with a range of highly regarded industry partners that represent the best in American aerospace. The MQ-25 Stingray Unmanned Carrier Aviation Air System, formerly the Carrier-Based Aerial-Refueling System, is a planned unmanned aerial system designed to conduct aerial refueling missions with a secondary ISR role. GA-ASI has designed a purpose-built MQ-25A Stingray, optimized for the tanking mission and providing exceptional fuel give, that will more than double the range of the Carrier Air Wing. Our offering exceeds all of the Navy's requirements, including carrier suitability. As the world's premier quick-reaction unmanned aircraft system manufacturer, we are committed to delivering the most effective, affordable, sustainable, and adaptable carrier-based aerial refueling system at the lowest technical and schedule risk, said David R. Alexander, President, GA-ASI. This collaboration of the best in aerospace industry will provide the U.S. Navy with a fleet-ready unmanned tanker with exceptional growth, well within the Navy's preferred timeline. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and to share it with your friends.